We just got a load of barley, about 2.5 tons to be precise, in our gravity wagon.
Look at that, nice and fat.
Great.
That kernel. All right. The odd pea.
Can they eat those? We haven't used this for a year or two. We had to make a roof framework, like an umbrella, so that the roof doesn't pool. That's a new tarp. Hopefully it holds. It doesn't hold water.
Yes, the good old lid spout here. Look how golden that is. Nice.
Yeah, looks really nice.
Yeah, it's not old.